Understanding the butterfly bush, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, butterfly bush. This term is not just about butterflies or bushes, but it holds a special meaning in the English language. Whether you're a language learner, a gardening enthusiast, or just curious, this video will help you understand what a butterfly bush is and why it's important. The butterfly bush, scientifically known as Buddleia davidi, is a plant known for attracting butterflies. But why is it so popular among these beautiful creatures? It's because the bush produces flowers that are rich in nectar, which butterflies love. The term, butterfly bush, is a great example of how English often uses descriptive names for plants and animals, based on their characteristics or behaviors. Beyond its biological aspects, the butterfly bush has cultural significance. It's often seen in gardens and is known for its ability to attract not just butterflies but also bees and hummingbirds, making it an important plant for promoting biodiversity. In English, phrases like the butterfly bush often reflect a deeper connection with nature and an appreciation for the environment. Interestingly, the term butterfly bush can also be used metaphorically. For instance, in literature or everyday conversation, someone might use this phrase to describe a place or situation that attracts a lot of attention. Just like the bush attracts butterflies. This metaphorical use shows the flexibility and creativity of the English language. So, that's all about the butterfly bush. It's a term that beautifully blends the worlds of nature and language, showing how English can be both descriptive and poetic. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable for you. Keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of the English language. See you in our next video.